Hello friends, as you're observing that a lot of you are facing problems whilst making a website, as you're making minor mistakes, and well, here I am to guide you through this. Go to the main menu and click on the My Store option. Then, after you click on the My Store option, go click on the Web Preferences option under My Store. You can check your website name under Web Preferences. If your website has a dot, comma, space, or any other special character, meaning anything other than numbers or alphabets, then the website will never open. A few people have put spaces in the website name, so we'll have to clear the website name first and rewrite it without any spaces. As you can see, my website name is Om Kirana. Here you have an option to select a picture from your SD card or camera. I have already selected one beforehand as my store friend or logo picture, after which we press the save key button. After pressing the save button, you will receive a notification immediately, which means that your website has been created now. Enable the e-commerce button to sell on your website, and enable website is already switched on. Let's show you how to go on your website. You can either tap on the sell online banner, or you can use Google Chrome on a laptop or mobile device and type your site's domain name like omkirana.kira.store. Here you can see your website picture, your name, total number of available products which are available. Your customers can now shop according to the categories on the website that showcase the available products. I have all these items available on the category below. Please come join us and you can make a free website. Stay safe. Thank you.